How to get Meta AI on WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can get Meta AI on your WhatsApp. So if you guys didn't know, WhatsApp now has Meta AI on it. So if you tap on it, you'll find Meta AI and you can start, talking to Meta AI on your WhatsApp itself. So yeah, you can start asking Meta AI questions and it'll give you an answer right here on WhatsApp, like you are simply chatting with it. And yeah, to enable it, what you'll need to do is head over to your settings. On your settings, go to your general first and then software update. You'll need to check if your device is compatible to the software or simply compatible to the update of WhatsApp, which has the Meta AI. Simply make sure that you're up to date to your latest software version. Then you can go back and go to App Store. On your App Store, simply search for WhatsApp. After you find WhatsApp, open that up, and if you see an update button like this, simply tap on update. After you tap on update, your update should complete, and after the update completes, you should have Meta AI on your WhatsApp. If you don't get Meta AI even after updating, that might be because Meta AI is not yet available in your region. So just wait for a few, time. And after new updates are available, don't forget to keep on updating your WhatsApp. And doing that, your WhatsApp should have Meta AI. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.